You've made your decision. You've decided to repair your tile roof. You've also made the decision to reuse your existing tile. In many instances, this can be an excellent choice. But the decision shouldn't end there. There are a couple of issues that are deserving of your thought and contemplation. During the re-roof, the possibility of breaking any number of tiles exists. These tiles must be replaced. Wherever a hip or a valley, the connecting areas on the roof structure, come together, the tiles must be cut like a puzzle piece to make them fit the roof lines. When reusing your tile, those original pre-cut tiles are no longer usable. That puzzle cannot be put back together, so replacement tile must be cut to fit. Oftentimes when your home is being built, the roofer, in order to save tiles, will space the tile courses improperly, essentially stretching out the tile. When re-roofing, the coursing must be spaced according to the manufacturer's specifications and building codes. This can make it necessary to add tiles. So, hopefully we've made it clear that it is very often necessary to figure out not only the reinstallation of the existing tile, but also to figure the cost of broken or replacement tile, which must be added to the final invoice. To simplify the process at Raneri & Long, we offer the following solution. We will include in the initial contract price 100 broken replacement tiles. Additional tiles will be invoiced separately at a cost to the customer of $5 per tile, including both labor and material. The bottom line, once again, is that Raneri & Long will always be upfront and honest with our customers. Thank you so much for your consideration, and rest assured, you can trust us.